couple of years back, I went to Bali and absolutely fell in love. Not just with the place, but also the food. My favorite was Nasi Goreng, and every restaurant we went to had their own version of it. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian version of Nasi Goreng. Hi guys, this is Chef Bhumika. Let me take you through Indonesia right here on Rajshri Food. Nasi Goreng literally means fried rice, and the unique thing about Indonesian fried rice is that they use a lot of different types of sauces. So you can absolutely make this your own by adding a little more or a little less of all the sauces that you like. This is how I like to make it. So I'm going to start with light soy sauce. This is around 1 tablespoon. Some sweet chili sauce. This is around 1.5 tablespoon. Next, I'm going to add in Ketchup Manis, 2 tablespoons of it. This is what makes Nasi Goreng absolutely unique. This sauce you can compare to a thick soy sauce which is also sweet. So if you can't find this, you can substitute it with a little bit of dark soy sauce, honey and a little bit of salt. Schezwan sauce, this is going to bring in heat and a little bit of garlicky flavor. Next, I'm adding in mushroom sauce. You can totally skip it if you don't consume mushrooms, but this adds a lot of umami flavor. 1 tablespoon of ketchup just to sweeten it a bit. And next I'm adding Sambal or Chilli Garlic Sauce, which is also very Indonesian, easily available in the markets these days, but if you can't find it, you can make your own at home. This is extremely spicy, so add it as per your liking. It's going to have a little bit of vinegary taste because vinegar is used as a preservative in all these sauces. So to balance out all of that acidity, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar and I'm just going to mix it. You can also add honey instead of sugar. Now I'm going to add around 1/4 cup of water to this so that the sauce can coat our rice very easily and not break it while we are tossing it around. Just mix it all together. So every time I make Nasi Goreng, I like to have a few things ready with me so that when I'm stir frying, I don't have to run around looking for anything. So we have our sauce blend ready. I also have some cooked rice over here. Day-old rice is always good for making any kind of fried rice. Then I have all my veggies prepped and ready for me. I always find it easier to use a wide pan while making Nasi Goreng. It's very easy to toss everything in a wide pan. So this is extremely hot right now. To this I'm going to add in some oil, around 2 tablespoons. To this hot oil I'm going to add in some sliced onions. I'm going to quickly toss it in the oil. Ginger, garlic and chili paste, around 1 teaspoon. And some sliced garlic, around 3 cloves. The onions have started getting a little bit of color. Now to this I'm going to add in cabbage. This is around 1/2 cup of cabbage, 1 carrot finely chopped, I want the veggies to have a little bit of bite, so I'm not going to overcook them. Next, I'm going to add in some frozen corn. Next, I'm adding in some capsicum. It will hardly take about 30 seconds to saute your capsicum. Now to this colorful mixture, I'm going to add in rice. Now remember the rice is cold, so it will take some time to heat up. Also make sure there are no lumps in the rice. So what you can do is while adding, you can just check if there are any big lumps. I've already separated all the grains, so I'm not really worried about it. Now I'm going to quickly toss this. The rice has heated through and the veggies have started getting a little bit of color, which is great because that will add a little bit of smokiness to the entire dish. Now I'm going to add in the sauce. Just spread it around all over. So I'm going to keep tossing the rice around till all that moisture is gone and the rice looks nice, shiny and glazed. Our Nasi Goreng is ready. Now it's time to sprinkle some spring onion. I finely chopped this as well. Now if you notice, I haven't added any salt to the dish so far. That's because I had cooked my rice with a pinch of salt, and also the sauces that we use usually are very salty. So you can add a little more salt if you like it. I like it as it is. some sliced cucumber and some fried peanuts to munch on, a little bit of spring onion. Our Nasi Goreng is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. And if you have any more recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I would definitely make them for you. This is Chef Bhumika taking your leave from Rajshri Food.